Suppose here for DURGASOFT, I require an app. I'm running a business. I require an app. So what is the need of depending on the people? Let me create my own app like array to app creation. What technologies are required? I have a front end React must be required. Okay, back end some Kotlin or something like is required like. Now I started open Google ChatGPT dot and so on. 3 months completed or 6 months completed. I created app, man. I felt very happy. This app created by myself only. I only created this app. I'm sure the person who created 100 apps, the person you created only first app, there's a big difference there in the quality. How many people are going to accept? There's a big difference there in the quality.
Yes, sir.
Definitely,
100%, sir.
because you are not expert, right? You are not expert, right? You are learning and then you are doing. Then obviously you are not expert. You are learning and doing. Then obviously what will happen is only. So just that quality is not up to the mark. First problem. The second problem is how much time you wasted? 6 months time. 6 months time. For these 6 months for your business, app is not available, right? App is not there, right? Instead of learning, exploring, and creating app on your own, if you arrange a consultant or if you meet some company, I require this app. This is about my requirement. Can you please create this app? How much is the quotation? Some 50,000 rupees is the quotation. How much time? Within 7 to 10 days, we will deliver like that 50,000 rupees if you are going to pay. In 7 days to 10 days only app is ready. Your 6 months of time is not going to be wasted. Your 6 months effort, energy is not going to be wasted. Next, your business, in 10 days only, it's start working. Just a matter of 50,000 rupees is the difference. Use money as a tool to save your time, to save your energy. Don't try to save the money always. Okay, up to whatever required for our emergency needs, for our investments. Okay, that thing is okay. But that really required things also, keep on saving. I don't want to save. I don't want to spend means a stupid kind of thing you people should aware. Dosto, are you getting my point? Anywhere. Saving my time, saving my money, saving my time, protecting my energy. Don't wait single second, single minute also to spend. That spending is not expense, it's a leverage. That spending is not expense, it's a leverage. Believe me, if I arrange a maid for my household activities, you are feeling that it is an expense. It is not expense, it is an investment for your business. It is an investment, it's a leverage activity.